They take on Hector Santiago, making his 18th start of the season. Called strike three. Souza thought that pitch was up and in, and Foxtrax had it off the plate.
It's a good sneaky fastball. Good deception upstairs for a swing and miss for Hector.
There's the 0-2. That's a called strike three. There's that inside corner. 2 down. Goes down swinging. 2 down. Breaky ball got him. Down goes Arcia. Pulled off of it. 2 down. A real strikeout.
That's a real good adjustment, Victor, by Hector. He took a little bit off that breaking ball, more of a curveball than a slider.
Fastball got him looking. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. And he got him. Down goes Souza, out number 1.
Yeah, I thought that was the pitch he was going to go with a little bit earlier. He threw back-to-back high breaking balls after a good breaking ball to get to that 1-2 count.
And he got him. Beckett goes down swinging.
And going away with that pitch. Late movement on it. And we talk about percentages of strikes thrown in this game, much better.